Hi everyone, I want to talk to you about some of the work that was done yesterday. Sorry, I'm switching positions here. Yesterday we watched the Kid President video, Guide to Making New Friends. And I asked that you write down some examples of details that you saw in the video. And I just took a sampling of a lot of the different ideas that people had submitted. And I want to talk to you about them because I had a whole big variety and we were just throwing things down. But when you guys throw your ideas down, then I can kind of see ways that I can guide you as your teacher. So this top row here, I feel like these are all very similar in that they tend to be a little bit vague. And vague means not very specific. So as a detail saying all they did was awkward, I would agree that there was a lot of awkward things in there, but that's not very specific. So here what I would hope that you would do, if you're noticing that they're doing things or you kind of get that awkward feel, you watch it again and try to be more specific about what did you see that specifically that was awkward. This is better. The Kid President did an awkward dance. And you might even mention a little bit further because he was dancing with no music and it was so awkward that they put it in the background that there were crickets. This one says he loves to be funny. Again, I agree that that's true, but what specifically did you see that he did that might be something he was trying to do to make you laugh? Again, this is very vague. They were very kind, very true. So, but you need to you mention something like they listened to each other, or they, with interest. And then they did things with each other. It's like what things did they do with each other? This row has better details. Like Robbie did a lot of dancing. He talked with a girl with a different religion. He hit her in the head with a baseball. I noticed that he had to ask questions that were on the paper. And they were playing outside. All of these are specific details that were mentioned. Some people on the detail page put things like this: don't let anyone tell you that you can't do something. That is more like a central idea. That would be something that you infer that, pulls everything together. It doesn't matter who you are, you can still be friends. Again, that's a really good central idea. It just doesn't match the details page. It's okay to be awkward. That's how people meet new friends and find things in common. And be yourself. Don't and do what you want to do. And so don't do in what it's basically saying, do what you want to do, kind of be yourself. These are all examples of central ideas that could have come out of the video, not necessarily details. So when we watch again, I want you to be thinking about a good central idea in the back of your mind and which details specifically would connect with the central ideas. So pick one of the central ideas you're like, ooh, that's a good one. And this time when you watch, I want you to find specific details that would match the central idea that you see coming through. All right, it's time to watch the other video and take more notes.